In this video, I'm going to show you how you can install the right Absa Bank on your Android mobile device. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to this channel. Alright, so if you want to download and install Absa mobile banking app on your Android smartphone, it's pretty simple. Just head over to your Android smartphone and go to Google Play Store. From here, go ahead and tap on search icon here, and then using the search option here, just type in Absa. We have so many Absa mobile banking app that are available on Google Play Store. So you can see the list is quite too long. To know the right app to download, you need to go ahead and look for the app that contains your country. For instance, I'm in Kenya, and therefore I'll go ahead and choose Absa Kenya. You can see we have other options here that you can choose from. You can see we have Absa Uganda, Zambia, Botswana, Tanzania, and so many others. You can also go ahead, if you can see for your specific country, just go ahead and tap on Absa Banking. So for my case, I can see my countries here, so I'll go ahead and tap on Absa Kenya. And you can see the company is Absa Group Limited. And at the time of recording this app has a star rating of 3.5 with over 1,000 reviews, and it is currently over 56 MBs, and it has over 100,000 downloads. To get it, go ahead and tap on install, and this will go ahead and download this app, then install it on your smartphone. Now once the app has been installed, you can proceed and open it from here, or you can go back to your apps, and now you should be able to see the Absa Bank on your apps. Go ahead and tap on it to log in or register for mobile banking. So that's how you can download and install Absa mobile banking app on your Android smartphone. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.